All right, so a lot of you guys have asked me what are the phrases that we need in Egypt to help us maneuver the country easier. So I made a listy to help you guys with this problem, okay? So we're gonna get right into it. The first group of phrases that I have are the basic phrases, and these phrases you can actually use anywhere in the Arabic world, like these are basic phrases. So the first one I have, I would hope that you guys already know this, but the word is marhaba, which is hello. Marhaba. Okay? Do I need to use it in a sentence? Marhaba. Okay? The next one is good morning. Sabah al khair. Sabah al khair. Now, the good morning has a response. If someone says it to you, you respond and you say, Sabah al-Nur. Sabah al-Nur. That's actually the same response that you would give for good evening. Okay, so if someone tells you, Masal khair, I'm having a brain fart. So if someone tells you Masal khair, that means good evening. Masal khair. Your response to that would be Masal nur. Right? Yeah. Wow, I'm tripping. I guess we're learning together. Okay? So let me just do that one more time. So good morning is Sabah al khair. The response is Sabah al nur. Good evening is Masal khair. The response is Masal nur. Okay? All right, let's continue. Thank you is shukran. Shukran. Okay. The next one I have is please. Now this one is a little different. It depends on if you're talking to a male or a female, okay? So for a male, it's min fadlak. For a female, it's min fadlik. Min fadlak. Min fadlik. Yo, teaching Arabic is hilarious. Okay, next. You're welcome is afwan. I know this one's tricky because it has that letter that's hard for most people to say. Afwan. 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 Afwan is probably the way I would say it if I didn't know how to say it, if I couldn't say that letter. Afwan, that works. We know what you mean. But the proper way to say it is afwan. Let's continue. Bye. Bye-bye. We say ma salama, which is really with the peace, or with peace, I guess. Ma salama. This also has that ma il salama. Ma il salama. I know, Arabic is hard, and these are the basic phrases. I'm sorry, guys. Let's continue on to the next set. Money and taxi, okay? Now, I'm going to give you guys some, again, this is a basic general overall, but I am going to do another video here shortly about currency overall. Basically, like, what to look for, how to say the different kinds of money, how to say numbers, like that's actually really important as well. Obviously, because of the scams and stuff, you want to know what you're talking about, what you're saying, what the currency looks like, just so you guys can have an idea. So that video is coming soon. But right now, we're just going to do some basic stuff. So the first one I have on here is how much? Of course, this is a very important question. The way we say this is bikem. This is Egyptian, okay? This is straight Egyptian. We don't say this in Lebanese or Jordanian. Bikem. Bikem. How much? How much? بكم. This one's not that hard. Next, too much is غالي. 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 And if you want to say it's like too much, like very expensive, you can say غالي قوي. قوي is like, whoa, like a lot. غالي قوي. قوي. Okay? And then obviously to respond to that, we're going to say, no, that's too much. So the way we say no is لا. No is لا. So no, that's too much. We would say لا ده كتير. ده كتير. Da is the thing. That's da is that. Okay, so لا ده كتير. Dang, it's hard like when I break it down. But when you say it fast, it's like لا ده كتير. لا ده كتير. لا ده كتير قوي. Like that's a lot. Very much, a lot. Okay, next. I don't have cash. So this one you might really, use every now and then because you really might not have cash. So we're going to say ما فيش فلوس. ما فيش فلوس. ما فيش means there is not. I do not have. Flus means money. Flus is money. So ما فيش فلوس. God help us. Okay. Turn on the meter. So this is if you actually take a taxi. You definitely want them to use the meter. Hello. Or unless you guys have negotiated a price prior to. So turn on the meter is شغل العداد. عداد is the meter. شغل is turn on. So شغل الحداد. Turn on the meter. شغل العداد. Okay, next one. Stop here. I can't see. Okay, the next one is stop here. على جنب هنا. So it's like على جنب هنا. على جنب هنا. I can't. This is like, I'm not a good teacher, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm doing the best I can. I can't get technical. It gets so confusing and complicated, and I don't know how to teach languages. It's hard. I don't even know how I know this language. All right, next, let's get into shopping and haggling and negotiating and all that kind of stuff, okay? The fun stuff. All right, the first one I have on here is make it cheaper. My favorite. Make it cheaper right now. Okay. خليها أرخص. خليها أرخص. خليها أرخص. Okay, next one is this your best price? Okay, like what's the final offer, man, So you're gonna say آخر سعر إيه. آخر سعر إيه. A is like, آخر is last. سعر is price. So last price, huh? آخر سعر إيه. Okay? I'm just looking. بس بتفرج. بس بتفرج. بس بتفرج. All right, let's go on. No, thank you. لا, we learned that before. No. شكرا, we learned that before too. لا شكرا. No, thank you. لا شكرا. I'll come back. حاجي تاني. حاجي تاني. حاجي تاني. All right. That concludes our shopping and haggling. Next up, we have safety and boundaries, okay? So we already learned no is لا, okay? If you guys haven't, you want to know that. You definitely want to know how to say no. لا, لا, لا. And to be honest though, most people do understand no. Like, pretty easy word. Enough. خلاص. Enough is خلاص. You can literally just say it like خلاص. 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 All right, next up. Leave me alone. Oh, I love this one because, yeah, sometimes they get annoying and you guys will know that or not know that depending where you go. But you might definitely want to remember this one. Leave me alone is سيبني في حالي. سيبني في حالي. سيبني في حالي. All right? Next one. I'm married. You might use this even if you're not married. If you are a female, you would say أنا متجوزة. أنا متجوزة. If you're a male, you're going to say أنا متجوز. أنا متجوز. أنا means me. So keep that in mind. أنا. You can like say it like me, like أنا, me. All right, let's keep going. Also, the reason I keep looking at this because like again, I told you guys I don't speak Egyptian well, so I want to make sure what's in my head is what's written that's actually Egyptian. Okay. I don't want this. I don't want this. If you're talking to I don't want this. All right, next. I don't want this. Now, if you're a female, you're going to say مش عايزة. Again with that. مش عايزة. مش عايزة. If you're a male, you're going to say مش عايز. مش عايز. Okay? All right, last one on this list is stop. Stop. Stop is what if. What if. Almost like what if, but faster. What if. What if. Okay? Next up, we have food and restaurants. All right? Water. Water is important, especially in the desert. Maya. 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 I want Maya. أنا عايزة Maya. We've actually learned all these words. We learned أنا, we learned عايزة, and now Maya. أنا عايزة Maya. I want water. All right. Ice is تلج. تلج. Okay? So if you don't want ice, you say بلا تلج. بلا تلج. Or you can say تلج قوي. That would be the easy way to say a lot of ice. It's not the proper way, but they'll understand that, and it's the easiest way for beginners. تلج قوي. Remember we said قوي is a lot, so تلج قوي would be, they'd understand. Okay, next, not spicy, which to be honest, the spice levels here is not really spicy for me anyways. For Mexicans, it's not spicy. For Spanish people, it's not spicy. I don't really know who it's spicy for. But if you want to say not spicy, it's mish har. Mish har. Har is spicy. Okay? Very delicious is jamil awi. Remember awi? Awi can be very, a lot, too much. We've mentioned this a couple times now. Jamil can also be used for anything of kind of a beauty structure, but in this situation you can say jamil awi, like you're talking about the food is so delicious. Jamil awi. Jamil awi. Okay? Next up, the check please. الإحساب. الإحساب. Next up, we have chicken. This one's funny because it is not the same in all the Arabic countries. It's different in Egypt. Chicken is فراخ. فراخ. All right? Meat. لحمة. This one's the same. This one's the same in all the Arabic countries. لحمة. All right, lastly, vegetarian. Important, right? Vegetarian. We have a lot of vegetarian options in the Arab world. أنا نباتي. أنا نباتي. نباتي. أنا نباتي. All right, and lastly, useful daily phrases. Where is? فين. فين. Bathroom. حمام. فين الحمام. حمام. فين الحمام. Where is the bathroom? Help. ساعدوني. 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 This one's hard. Sorry, guys. Just say help in English. I hope someone will be able to understand. Slowly. شوية شوية. This one's fun. شوية شوية. شوية شوية. I don't understand. If you're a girl, female, مش فاهمة. مش فاهمة. If you're a male, it's مش فاهم. مش فاهم. Okay? And let's not be confused by these because sometimes the word differs depending on if you're talking to a woman or a male. And then it depends on, and then sometimes it differs depending on if you're the male or female. So it can get really confusing. Okay? Oh my God. All right, lastly, wait. استنى. 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 Wait. All right, guys, so with the rest of the stuff I have on my list is for currency and numbers and all that, and I don't want this video to get too long, so I'm going to record right now the video for currency, money, numbers, and all that stuff because you're going to need to know that when it comes to, obviously, getting around, and even for the Ubers because all the letters are in Arabic, the numbers are in Arabic. So at least if you know the numbers, that'll help you out a lot. All right, so catch you guys on the next one.